Hey guys, we are still at Mecum Auctions, and now we're outside. We're going to another building, and I just want to kind of show you, even out in the street. So, you know you're at a really excellent auction when you're outside and all these 70 SS 454 Chevelles and 72 Chevelle SS's and all these cars are sitting outside. So it's kind of like when I look for a car or for a house that has cars, I go and say, hey, if there's a GTO outside the garage, what's indoors? So this is all the stuff that's outdoors. I'm thinking, let's go indoors and see what's indoors. So we're gonna go in here. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Shawn, and I'm Shawn. All right. ZL1 Camaro. A no reserve 69 Z28 with a 302. Beautiful car, beautiful car. This is the Shawn Anderson collection. 396 RSSS. Chevy 10, C10. So guys, you can come. It doesn't cost much to come. It's like $20 for a ticket. If you want to bid on something, it's a little bit, it's affordable. It's like it's over 100, but you can register to bid, and then you can bring somebody with you. So if you want to come, it's here. It's in Kissimmee. Take a flight down. You know, I mean, you can get on an airline flight from Memphis for like 40 bucks. Fly into Orlando, come down, check all this stuff out, bid on a car if you want. It's super easy. You can come from Memphis, Pennsylvania, you name it, anywhere on the East Coast. Easy to get on a plane, come down here, bid on something fun. They'll ship it to your house. All right. Here's a mod 67 Chevy Camaro convertible with an LS3. So if you don't like the original, get a modified. There's another modified. Look at that, 69 SSRS. Here's a 69 Z28 302, creamsicle colored, orange with white stripes. Blue Super Sport Chevelle 67, 396 SS 396 ragtop Chevelle. So 69 or 68? 69. Oh, what a nice hot rod truck. Here's a, what, a 66? Is it 66 fastback? 67, what do you think? 66 fastback. There you go, 66 fastback Mustang. All right. It is not a car show until somebody tries selling an Eleanor. So here's an Eleanor. Everybody loves the Eleanors, and this is a modified Eleanor. So there you go. So now we're doing Eleanors that are modified. This one even has gone in 60 seconds. Has Eleanor on the side. Very cool. And then here, is this a 70? This looks like a 70. Yep, it's a 70. 70 modded Pennsylvania car. Boss 302, 70 Ford Mustang Mach 1, but they say Boss on the side. So, got a little bit of a personality conflict going on, but still a pretty cool car. And then you have Jeep, which this is painted on, by the way. That's painted on. So very cool lifted Jeep. Nice Firebird. What's this? I think this is a 69 Firebird. Let me see, 69 Pontiac Firebird, 400. Yep, black and silver. Here's a nice GTO Judge. There you go. 69 GTO Judge, orange. We've already seen a couple black Judges. Okay, so here we have a Steve McQueen car, or it's a modified Steve McQueen car. So Mustang fastback, supercharged, pretty cool. Like the color. Street rod here. I don't think this is a real GT350. So, all right, guys, we're still looking here at a new building that's got way more cars than we're ever going to be able to check out, but we'll keep it trying. We're going to keep trying. All right, where did we come in at? I think we came in up there. We've got a really sweet Mustang with a 5-liter Coyote motor in it. So we've got, I believe it's a 66. Can't really tell because it's all customized. Really nice custom Ford truck. And then this is a really dark wine red with white, as you can see on the interior. 70 Chevelle SS with a supercharged 6.2 liter in it. So another 396 Chevelle. All right, LS swap, 57 Chevy there. 55 Chevy here. 55, 56, 55. Convertible, black on black, on black, on black, on black. Beautiful car. Yellow Chevy pickup truck. Nice Ford. 5-window, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 53 Chevy 3100 5-window pickup truck. And a couple more Hellcat Demons, Hellcat Demon. El Camino SS was 72. I want to say 72. 72, yep, 72 Chevy El Camino. Cow induction, big block, 396. Beautiful Corvette with an engine swap. Nice 54. 70 Chevelle SS. Red, white stripes, white interior. 70 Chevelle 44 automatic rotisserie restoration. Beautiful car. Bunch of newer Corvettes. Is this a Buick Grand Sport? Yes, Buick Grand Sport. 72, I want to say, but it could be, so 72. GS55, 70. Okay, 70 Buick Grand Sport. Nice. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.